Hi viewers, welcome back to the Deal Money YouTube channel. Myself Brijesh Bhatia from Research Desk of Deal Money Securities Private Limited. So in this video we'll be discussing the technical structure of Maruti, and not to forget that Maruti in the March fall during the COVID time had made a low of sub 4000 levels, and now we are above 7000 levels on to the Maruti. Second thing, if you look at the momentum of the Maruti, it's been strongly seen a huge rally along with the Nifty and other stocks. Before starting on to the Maruti technical structure, I would like to tell the viewers just go to our Nifty video as well, which we have released last week, and where we have termed the short-term top on the Nifty. Yeah, coming back onto the Maruti, if you look at the weekly structure of Maruti, the price structure, it is forming the bearish bet. And even if you look at the Nifty weekly video last week, which we had released, the similar structure has been seen on the Maruti as well. So basically, what is bearish bet? Bearish bet is an harmonic pattern calculated based on Fibonacci. Harmonica basically the similar leading patterns like you see head and shoulder, triangle, channels, and flag, pennants. So harmonic also is a similar technical structure, but the difference here is it is calculated based on the Fibonacci numbers. The various Fibonacci ratios are used into the calculations to judge the reversal level, and harmonic are basically into reversal in nature. So if you look at the highs of around March highs of around 7500 plus levels, and if I just look at the bottom of 4000, so we have seen XA forming, and if you look at the whole structure on your screen, the D reversal has formed right around 7300 levels. Second thing, if you look at the volumes now on your screen, the recent rally right from 6000, 6200, which we have seen back to 7300. Look at the week and week, the volumes have dipped down. This is second instance where prices are going higher, volumes is not increasing, which means that the rally which we have seen into the Maruti is somewhere now a sign of fatigue. Still, if I look at the volumes here, volumes majorly play a key role when there is a bullish momentum or bearish momentum. In this case, it's a bullish momentum which we have seen right from 6200 to 7300 levels, and volumes not increasing is a sign of cautious. Why? When the demand rises or price rises, there should be a substantial volumes into the momentum. For example, if I am buying a pack of sugar, and when prices are around 50-52 rupees a kg, and prices go 55 and the demand don't increase, it means that at some point of time price has to come down. Either the supply could increase, or the consumers which are there might not have that sweetness of sugar. Similarly, if you look at the volume over here on these charts, the rally which we have seen, the volumes are week on week decreasing. Week on week decrease in which means that the people are not very optimistic about the price of the Maruti at 7200, 7300 levels. Second, now if I look at the technical structure of weekly charts, it's forming a bearish harmonic, which is again a sign of reversal for me. So with price reversal level, volumes not substantially giving me a good sign of a bullish momentum now, a first sign of bearish structure. Now second, if I just move on to the lower frame time frame, which is a 90 minutes charts. Okay, now if you look at the rally right from 6000 to 7200, we have seen a huge rally, fast and furious rally. At the same time, if you look at the volumes on the lower panel, they are not increasing substantially. In fact, they are decreasing. Even the prices are making higher highs. At the higher highs, volumes are making lower lows. I would say lower highs, in fact, because the prices are going down and down. Again, this is again a second sign of vertiginous momentum. Now, if you look at the box which we have made, the buying climax, what does the buying climax mean? It means that prices have a huge upsurge, a quick momentum upsurge along with volumes. Now, if you look at the momentum of the price action, we have seen a huge upsurge rally along with volumes. Now, if that rally is really strong, then the prices should increase further, volume should increase further. In buying climax phase, generally in buying climax phase, and this phase are as per the Wyckoff theory. So in buying climax phase, the prices rally with volumes and the momentum continues, and if that is not continuous, it is known as climax. So as we see a movie, the climax are generally at the end. Sometimes the movie has a happy ending, sometimes the movie is slightly disappointing end. So when in this scenario we are looking at a disappointing end to the climax. So buying climax indicates that the short term top is in place. Okay, now if you look at the last week momentum, we have seen again a newer high of 734 at 7350 levels on Maruti on the spot. Now if you look at again that rally into 90 minutes, it was thrown aggressively on the downside, price hitting new highs but unsustainable. And if you look at the momentum back to the lower levels, along with the huge volumes on the downside, if you look at the downside on tick, the volumes are very much stronger on the fake out side. The fake out is basically price moves higher, the longs are unwinded, shorts get trapped, stop loss got hit, and that's the reason we have seen higher volumes. And now if you look at the fake out, prices are again back to the lower side at around 70 to 20 levels. So which we think that now with the two things, bearish harmonic prices are not supporting, and third thing, the fake out, which means that the weak hands have been taken out. Okay, longs has been taken out from the system, stop loss got triggered on the short side might be, and we think now it's a time to look for a short sell onto the Maruti. At around 70 to 7300 range, you can look for a short opportunity. We are looking for a target of 6700 to 6500 on the downside, and for this view you can place a stop loss of slightly above 74.15, 74.20, and look for a short bet. So if I just look at the risk reward side, I have 2% risk, say roughly around 150 points risk if I even take 2.2%, so 150 points risk. But simultaneously, if I look at the downside, I have nearly 10% opportunity to gain, probably around 7 to 8% at least probability on the downside. So if I just look at the risk reward, 2 is to if I'm betting on 2% risk, I'm getting around 6%, 7% to 10% on the downside. So that's the bet we are looking on the Maruti. So and you can also look into the future. I would say slightly look for an October futures, probably if you're looking for September, you might have to roll out, because we are looking for slightly a longer term, probably not a September series, might see another 10% fall, but by October, mid October to end October, we are expecting the test of 6700 to 6500 on the downside on Maruti. Thanks for watching the video, and just press the bell icon to receive the notification from our end, so that as soon as we upload the videos, you will receive the notifications. And also follow our Instagram page, Twitter page, and LinkedIn page. Thank you. Have a good profitable day and be safe, and your family is safe. Thank you.